In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new deal inside a company using HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, understanding how to manage deals effectively is crucial for keeping your business efforts organized and efficient. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to set up your new deal. First things first, open up your browser and head over to the user guide section of your HubSpot account. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, it's essential to be in the right place. This step ensures you have access to all the functionalities HubSpot offers. The user guide will act as your compass, helping you navigate through the process. Once you're ready, the next step involves finding the CRM. On the HubSpot interface, you'll typically see this option in the main navigation menu. By clicking on CRM, you're essentially setting up for success in managing your business relationships and data. Next, click on Companies. This step is critical because you're going to create a new deal associated with a specific company in your database. By accessing the Companies section, you can manage various organizations you're engaged with and align your new deal with the right entity. Now, once you have the Companies page opened, look for the HubSpot icon or heading and give it a click. This will allow you to interact with the specifics of the company you're interested in. You'll be viewing all the related details, which is crucial before linking a new deal to ensure you're placing it under the correct company. Moving on, the moment you've been anticipating is here. It's time to add your new deal. In your company's detailed view, locate the Add button. Clicking on this will prompt you to begin the process of inputting your new deal's specifics. This step is pivotal. It's where you'll input all the relevant information about the deal you're about to track and manage in HubSpot. Typically, this includes deal amounts, names, and stages in your sales pipeline. Remember, the information you enter here should be as detailed as possible. The more data you include, the more insightful your reports and follow-ups will be. And there you have it. You've now created a new deal within a company in HubSpot. Following these steps enables you to efficiently manage your sales activities and keep track of important client interactions. By regularly updating and reviewing your deals, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that can drive your business forward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful HubSpot tips.